guys, so let's just jump right into this look. We have the finger waves on the side and the back with the soft locks on top. So to achieve this look, we use 1 pack of the Made Beauty soft locks, a pack of the Expression spring twist hair, this BTL braiders gel, and then a little bit of nail glue for the ends. So I went ahead and started doing a few locks because I wanted to get the partings correct. And as you guys can slightly see, I pretty much pre-parted the sections and I'm just going through and cleaning up the parts. Ideally, you guys want to kind of do these like you would do knotless braids and kind of braid at the base of the part, or section, I should say. However, because she only has the top portion and she's going to be wearing it up a lot, I'm doing the braids in the center of each parted section. So I go ahead and I do a single plait using the BTL braiders gel, and I pretty much braid it all the way down to the end of the hair. The locks come already crocheted and done for you. So when I crochet my end, I unravel the top about 1 or 2 inches, just so that when I wrap the lock, I can kind of control how it looks until the end of that spring twist hair stops. So as you guys see, I'm using the spring twist hair and I have one side longer than the other. I'm wrapping at the base twice, like tight, and then I'm gonna start working my way down the lock. And you still want to keep a little bit of tension, but you don't want it to be too tight because then it'll be too stiff. So I wrap it pretty close together, and then once I pass the client's natural hair, as you see, like I kind of speed up the wrapping and it's a little bit of space in between each wrap at that point to give it that soft, kind of distressed look. Again, the same thing applies. You want to make sure you continuously clean up your parts. You want to add product to that entire section. You want to comb it through. You want to treat it like you're doing knotless braids. You want to smooth it down and then proceed to go ahead and do another plait. And honestly, I think anybody that can do plaits in clean parts, like this style, is something definitely achievable. Like I feel like anybody who braids or does hair can achieve this style, because what I like more about doing the soft locks is literally this is the only braiding you do. And if you have carpal tunnel like I do, yeah, this will beat doing knotless braids any day. So back on subject, I fold her braid in half. I crochet it through once, and then I'm going to crochet it through again. And then here, you guys are going to see like her end is still sticking up. I don't want that sticking out. So I actually pull it through, and I'm going to like lightly braid it with the rest of her braid as so. And then again, I'm getting the spring twist hair. You're going to leave about maybe 2 to 3 inches on that shorter side. And then the longer side obviously is going to be used to wrap down the lock. And this is the recording in real time. So as you guys see, the closer I get to passing her natural hair, the faster and less neatly I'm going to wrap, so that it just still has that kind of messy, distressed look. And literally, like when there's maybe 1 inch left, I use maybe 2 dots of the nail glue, and then I just wrap up and braid back down, and That's literally all you need. If you use too much nail glue, it's gonna leave a white residue. I honestly have not figured out any alternative option other than just only using a little bit, but you definitely need that nail glue from my understanding. If you don't use it, I have heard of locks unraveling. I think I've had one client that I tried to not use the nail glue on, and she was literally my only client that came back like twice for me to fix a couple locks. And I was like, see, I have to use the nail glue every single time. So guys, this is literally as simple as I'm telling you, as simple as it looks. You're literally parting, getting your parts clean and nice. You're doing a plait. You're unraveling the crochet lock a little bit. You're sliding it onto the plait. You're crocheting the plait in half just to conceal some of the hair, and then you're wrapping it with the spring twist hair. So again, I'm sliding the crocheted lock on there, on the plait. I'm crocheting the plait into itself. I'm concealing the ends. So this how I'm actually braiding it a little bit with the crocheted lock. I'm getting my spring twist hair, which you should already have separated. I should have showed you guys that part. I pre-separate everything before I start. I'm wrapping it at the base once, and then I'm going to wrap it one more time. And now I'm going to begin to wrap down the lock. And you're just going to wrap. Like, literally, your wrapping gets better over time, but honestly, you guys can do this. If you're looking at this video right now, I'm telling you, you can do this. Like, don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Like, locks are not made to look super perfect and neat. And even real locks are not perfect and neat. Like you see, now I'm going to begin wrapping a little bit more just like not super neat. So don't overthink it. So by this point, you guys should definitely have the concept down packed by now. If you feel like you missed anything or didn't understand anything, rewind the video, replay it, save it, replay it as many times as you need to. But I'm telling you that you got this. Don't overthink it. It's just locks. Like, you got it. So this is the final look, guys. Look at them waves. We have it in a cute little low ponytail. And then we have a couple locks wrapped around. It's definitely giving me like Hawaiian vibes. Now we have it in a high ponytail with a couple locks wrapped around. It's definitely giving me dashiki vibes from Don't Be a Menace, like Poetic Justice vibes, like all that. Then, of course, the classic bun. And this is giving. Like, the bun is, you see, she loved the bun. The bun is the look. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please follow me on Instagram. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe.